Hey there, this is Mike Hill with REI Titan, and in this quick demo, I'd like to show you just how easy it is to find and sell lucrative wholesale/real estate deals in just 6 simple steps using REI Titan. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Step 1, we're going to start with our leads. You can use REI Titan's built-in prospecting tools and integrations like done-for-you ads, done-for-you websites with capture boxes, social media integration, or our power dialer as just a few examples to find or capture new leads. But for the sake of our example, we'll import a list of existing homeowners with just a few clicks. So first, we'll go to our contact screen and click on Import Contacts. I've got a sample file here that I'm just going to drag over. We'll click Next. The system will automatically map this for you, but you can do any custom mapping that you'd like. Let's go ahead and click Next here. We can name the file if we like, so just sample data, confirm, and submit. And just like that, we've got all of our leads imported into our system. All right, step 2 is going to be to choose and deploy our campaigns. Campaigns are the various ways that REI Titan engages with and follows up with potential prospects. So this could be in the form of things like emails, text messages, voicemail drops, phone calls, online ads, or direct mail. Some campaigns, like when a visitor enters their contact information on your website, for example, those will fire automatically. But you can choose contacts and add them to your campaigns manually as well. So let's say, for example, I want to send off some direct mail. I can choose contacts individually, or I can choose hundreds at once. So for our example here, I'm going to select all of our contacts, add them to a workflow. And for this example, I'm going to choose the direct mail for a year option. So seller direct mail campaign, we can name it. We'll just test for this one. And then we're going to add to the automation. Now, as soon as I click that button, all of these prospects will start receiving direct mail. So that means each contact will get a series of carefully crafted mail. This is ranging from postcards, small ones, large ones, to yellow letters, to invitations for the next year. And they're delivered on a carefully curated schedule with intervals spaced for best results. And look, this literally takes 20 seconds. So it's truly set it and forget it. Now, as another quick example, let's look at another workflow that we have here. Again, this is how our system is going to follow up with our potential motivated sellers. So for this example, let's just come in here and I'll show you. It's as simple as, again, selecting a contact and just adding it to any workflow. There are many workflows that are built in here. So for this example, let's just look at a sample follow-up workflow. So we can do an email follow-up series. We can do a lead submission. Now, there are a ton of these things in here. You don't need to worry about the back end, but I'm going to show it to you really quickly so you can see how this works. So in this sample campaign or workflow, the system would send a series of emails, information, and text messages, and then reply to the prospects accordingly. So you'll have internal notifications. If you're working with a team, you can select which users get notified. You've got text messages going out, phone call prompts, emails that are going out, and this is all, again, on a pre-scheduled timeline. So this is going to take us right into step 3, which is to let REI Titan work for you. So through a series of pre-built campaigns, workflows, and automations, again, with the assistance of the very latest in AI technology, REI Titan will talk to and follow up with your prospects. So organizing, sorting, qualifying, booking appointments and calls, sending you alerts and phone call prompts when you've got a hot lead on the line. Now that you've got your motivated seller ready to go, step 4 is going to be to get your contract signed. Inside of REI Titan, you can create document templates with drag and drop dynamic variables. So in just seconds, you can generate fully executed contracts, email them to your seller for them to sign electronically without needing to print and sign and scan or use a third-party service. So here, I'm going to use myself as a test contact, and I'll just click on the contact card. This, by the way, will have all of the history of all of your communication with your prospects. So we'll see here, we've got my information, and I'll scroll down, and all I need to do is put in my offer variables. So for example, I want to offer $100,000 on a property. Whoops, 100,000. My initial deposit, I'll make 1,000. My balance to close will be 99,000. And then my acceptance date, I don't know, 12/25. We'll do Christmas 24. I will save this. And watch how I'll send this contract off in just the click of a button. So I'm going to scroll down here. There's a little section for our tags, and I am the buyer. So I'm going to be buying. There's a drop down menu here, and buying document start. So all I've got to do is click that button, and REI Titan will take care of the rest. So in just a minute here, the system has auto-generated a fully executed contract for me, and it sent out an email to the seller. So you'll see here's a copy of the email here. Hey Mike, please see the purchase agreement for 123 Main Street attached. We'll click on the link and it'll take us right into our document. Your seller can review the document. Of course, everything's been updated with your offer details, our address, our price, our title company information, all that information's there. And then your seller will just need to click, which will open up a window, and then they can actually sign it. So no more of the typed signatures for better authentication here. So I'll put my initials there and you'll see them pop up. And your seller again can go through, sign all of their pages, as well as their full signature down at the bottom there. And once they hit that submit button, you'll get a confirmation email and it will send fully executed contracts to all parties. In addition, when they sign, the system authenticates the signature by capturing the IP address of the seller for verification, and then again delivers that confirmation to all parties. Once your contract is signed, it's time to move on to step number 5, which is to market your deal. REI Titan is your dispositions manager, giving you the tools you need to market your deals easily and quickly. So you can showcase the property on your pre-built website, you can integrate and post on your favorite social media platforms, really get this thing out there, manage your buyers list, which is also stored within your system, and you can use our beautiful drag and drop email editor to send your e-blast to your cash buyers. Step 6 is to simply repeat step 4, this time for your buyer's signature, then send your documents to your title company or attorney and wait to get paid. Using our done-for-you systems, the campaigns, automations, and our Titan AI technology, finding, marketing, and selling your deals has never been easier. Now, this is just a brief overview, but I'm very excited for you to come and explore all that REI Titan has to offer. There's so much more in here. I know that if you use the system, you will not only love it, being very user-friendly, but more importantly, you will see results. So go ahead and click the button below to start your free trial of REI Titan today.